Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. In this evening's health report, Shamela Pullen looks at heart valve disease.
Heart valve disease is a health condition where one or more of a person's heart valves don't work well. Your heart has 4 valves that open and close with each heartbeat to keep blood flowing in the right direction. Problems with heart valves can occur if the valves are leaky, too narrow, or don't have a proper opening.
So symptoms could include shortness of breath, stroke, sudden cardiac death, abnormal heart rhythms, palpitations, and chest pain. A myriad of symptoms. You can have difficulty walking, some people can black out, and some people can also have heart attacks from these diseases.
The condition is very common in Jamaica. Some people are born with heart valve disease, but it can also develop over time as you get older.
As you grow older, calcium gets deposited on the heart valves, which can make them smaller and not work as well. A very common illness that we have, especially in Jamaica and the Caribbean, is something called rheumatic heart disease. And this evolves from having a strep throat. So if you have a sore throat, you should definitely get it checked out because you may have this bacteria that can eventually affect the heart. And this is very common in young persons, especially young females. And sometimes it goes unnoticed and we do not diagnose it till later when they have like heart failure.
Most heart valve problems can be treated successfully. Treatment may include medicine or surgery.
So most commonly, in the past, we would do open heart surgery. And this is when we cut open the chest and go into the heart, open up the heart and fix the valves. But now we have available in Jamaica, because of the new state-of-the-art interventional suite at the University Hospital, we can do these minimally invasive procedures. These minimally invasive procedures are done through a small blood vessel in the leg or even the arm, and we pass special equipment into the heart that we can fix some of those heart valve disease.
Dr. Redwood gives this advice to Jamaicans.
So seeing the cardiologist as soon as possible, getting imaging such as ultrasounds of the heart to monitor progress of any disease that may already be there, and getting intervention like the minimally invasive intervention that's available at the University Hospital of the West Indies are key things to preventing sequelae of these diseases.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.